One of the hardest parts of progress is that it does not always announce itself.
Sometimes you are changing, but your life still looks the same. You are making better choices, but the results have not shown up yet. You are trying to become more disciplined, but you still have hard days. You are working on your mindset, but negative thoughts still visit. You are trying to rebuild, but you still feel like you are carrying pieces of the old you.
One of the biggest lies we believe is, if I cannot see progress, then nothing is changing. But that is not always true.
Think about a seed in the ground. Before anything breaks through the surface, roots are growing underneath. The work is happening before the result is visible. The same thing happens in our lives. Before confidence shows up, consistency is being built. Before discipline becomes obvious, small decisions are being practiced. Before peace becomes natural, you are learning how to respond instead of react. Before your future changes, your patterns begin changing first. But because those changes are not always visible, we can overlook them. We can dismiss them. We can call them small. But small does not mean meaningless. Small is where strength begins.
You may be making progress if you pause before reacting. That pause matters. Maybe before, you would have snapped, argued, or let your emotions take control.
But now, even if you still feel the emotion, you are learning to pause. That is progress. You may be making progress if you catch a negative thought sooner than you used to. The thought may still show up, but now you recognize it. You question it. You do not let it move in and take over your whole day. That is progress. You may be making progress if you are keeping small promises to yourself. Maybe you went for a walk. Maybe you drank water. Maybe you got up when you said you would. Maybe you told the truth. Maybe you did the next useful thing. Those may not seem huge in the moment, but every kept promise rebuilds trust with yourself. That is progress.
You may be making progress if you recover faster from a bad day. A bad day may still happen, but maybe it no longer become a bad week. Maybe you fall, but you do not stay down as long as you used to. That is progress.
You may be making progress if you are starting to choose your values over your emotions. That does not mean your emotions do not matter. It means they no longer get to drive every decision. That is progress.
When you are climbing a mountain, one step may not seem like much. The mountain still looks big. The summit still looks far away. The trail may still be difficult.
But even if the mountain looks the same, your position has changed. You are not where you were. That is what progress is. Sometimes the destination still looks far away, but you have already moved. You have already chosen differently. You have already taken ground, and that matters. The mistake we make is measuring progress only by the summit. But Pop is not about pretending the mountain is easy. Pop is about becoming the kind of person who keeps climbing, one step at a time.
There will be seasons where the work feels slow. There will be seasons where you wonder if the habits matter. But I want you to remember this: the work is still working.
The walk still counts. The journal entry still counts. The honest conversation still counts. The apology still counts. The boundary still counts. The choice not to react still counts. The decision to get back up still counts. Here is your practical step for this week. I want you to do what I call an invisible progress inventory. Write down 3 things. Number 1, one situation I handled better than I used to. Number 2, one promise I kept, even if it was small. Number 3, one step I can take this week to keep moving forward. That is it, because sometimes we do not need more progress. Sometimes we need to recognize the progress already happening. This chapter has been about progress. Taking the next step, building small habits, showing up when it is not easy, learning that small victories become strong lives.
But now we are getting ready for the next chapter: purpose. Because once you learn how to move forward, the next question becomes, where am I going? Why does this matter? What kind of person am I becoming?
Progress teaches us to keep climbing. Purpose reminds us why the climb matters. So if you are in a season where it feels like nothing is changing, do not give up too soon. You may be growing roots. You may be building strength. You are farther along than you think. Remember, Your past does not get the final word. A bad day does not get to become the author of your future. And just because you cannot see the progress yet, does not mean the work is not working.
Keep moving forward, one step at a time. And as always, keep climbing. In Chapter 4, we begin talking about purpose. Until then, take the next useful step. Keep climbing.
I tried hard when I thought I couldn't make it back. I tried